Hello people, so this is my seventh video of the day, and I have to say, people, the last time when I was in this metro train and I was asking people to subscribe, it was so nice that I was in the ladies compartment. But I've been in the ladies compartment before, and there have been women who are not too obliging or whatever and just subscribing to the channel. But that particular day in the morning when I went, they were very nice, um, it's such a silly little observation, but I've realized, I think if you leave your hair loose and all, you look far more feminine and pretty or sweet or whatever. Then normally I used to have my hair tied, and it's ours is just a look centric world, yeah. No, so why am I saying this? That it's like, so I remember telling this lady that since I'm so talkative, I mean, a bit, I might as well, all the information, the knowledge that I have through these videos, I can, keep uploading, and it's just fun. So that's what I mean. YouTube gives you like a direction in life, I think. So, and that's what, yeah, it's my dream to someday travel at least all across AP. That should be possible, yeah. I mean, like with the camera and like a proper vlog, why not? So yeah, dreaming is a good thing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.